So let's start with the today's activity, today's EVS activity. This is activity of chapter 16, Plants, Our Green Friends. This is the part 2 of the activity. The part 1 we did yesterday beta. ठीक है, आज हम part 2 करेंगे chapter 16 का. Look at this picture first. Right? This picture is showing the movement of water in the plant. I repeat, this picture is showing the movement of water in the different parts of the plant. Look at the picture carefully, all of you, please. It will be very easy for you to understand all the concepts then. Now here comes the question. Which part of the plant absorbs water from the soil? Look at the picture and give me answer. Which part of the plant absorbs water from the soil? The plant is mainly divided into two parts and write the answer of this question. Shabash. Yes, very good. All of you write. I am waiting. All of you write. Take your time. Look at the picture and write the answer. Yes, shabash. Yes, most of the answers are right. Which part of the plant absorb? Word है absorb. Absorb कौन करता है? Soil में से absorb कौन करता है? लेता कौन है? And the answer is roots. Very good. If you have written this answer, roots. Which part of the plant absorb water from the soil? Answer is roots. जो roots हैं वो पानी soil में से लेती हैं. ठीक है? You water the plants, that water goes into the soil and the roots take up that water for the plant. Next question. Which part of a plant carries or conducts water to all the plants? Plant का कौन सा part water को बाकी parts तक लेकर जाता है? Conduct करना, carry करना, लेकर जाना. Function of roots is to absorb water. And which part of the plant serves the function of carrying the water to other parts of the plant? रूट्स ने तो अपना फंक्शन कर दिया एब्जॉर्प्शन का, और उस वाटर को बाकी पार्ट्स तक कौन लेके जाएगा? विच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट विल कैरी द वाटर? विच पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट विल कैरी दैट वाटर टू अदर पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स? आंसर इज स्टेम. आंसर इज स्टेम. सी बेटा, रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल and give it to the stem, and that stem carries the water to other parts of the plant, and in this way the stem functions of conduction of water to all parts of the plant. प्लांट के सारे पार्ट तक पानी लेके जाने का वर्क स्टेम का है. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर केयरफुली. You can see the part of a plant is shown here, and that part of plant is taking that part of plant is taking light from the sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, and that part of plant is giving out carbohydrates, which is food, and oxygen. Clear? The arrows which are facing towards the part of the plant indicates that part of the plant is taking those materials, and arrows indicating away indicates that this part of the plant is giving these materials. Now question is this: name this part of a plant. Very easy, very easy. Name this part of the plant you are seeing in this picture. Good beta, very good. All of you write answers. Very easy. All of you write answer. Answer is leaf. बिल्कुल ठीक है आपका. Answer is leaf. This part of the plant is leaf. ठीक है? So this picture is showing that leaf takes the sunlight, leaves take carbon dioxide from the air, and leaves take water from the stem, and it makes carbohydrates, which is food, and gives out oxygen. Now next question is, what is the function of the leaves? What does this picture shows? which function is being performed by the leaves? Shabash, write in chat box. All have to be active. I will ask you question at the end of the slide also. At the end of this activity, I will ask you the same questions. Yes. What is the function of the leaves? They make the food for the plant. Function of leaves is to make the food for the plant, and this function is performed only by the leaves which are green in color. I repeat, this function of making food for the plant is performed by those leaves which are green in color. The leaves which are not green in color, they do not perform the function of making the food. वो leaves food नहीं बनाते. Because for making food, green color is required. Now there is the question. Name the green colored pigment required for making food. Very important. Name this green colored pigment which is required for making the food. You have to be active and you will give me the answers in the chat box. Shabash. All of you write, please. What is the green pigment? When you write in the chat box, beta, it gives you practice of writing also, and you practice of writing spellings also. Function of leaves. This is to make the food, and what is the pigment required for making food? Answer is chlorophyll. Match your spellings. I repeat, the green colored pigment which is present in the leaves is called chlorophyll. जो हरे रंग की पिगमेंट है, सब्सटेंस है, जो कि लीफ हमें ग्रीन दिखाई देता है, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ क्लोरोफिल, एंड क्लोरोफिल इज द मस्ट फॉर मेकिंग द फूड बाय द लीव्स. नाउ look at this process. This picture is showing a plant is taking few things and giving out few things. The arrows which are pointing towards the plant shows that a plant is taking in these things, and the arrows which are pointing away from the plant show that the plant is giving out these things. Right? And now question is, name the process of making food by the plant. This slide shows the process of making food by the plant. This slide is showing the process of making food by the plant. Now you will write what is that process called. Hint is given on the picture also, on this GIF also. What is this process called? Write in chat box. It will give you practice of the spellings also. Very easy if you look at the picture carefully. Answer is photosynthesis, right? It is written on the screen in the picture also. The process of making food by the plants is called photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means formation. I repeat, photosynthesis थोड़ा सा बड़ा word है. इसका meaning क्या है? Photo means light. Synthesis means formation. मतलब light की presence में किसी चीज को बनाना. To make something in the presence of light. Clear? So photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants make the food for the plant. Look at the picture and give the answer of this question. Deepika ma'am, am I audible? अभी message आया था, unstable connection.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Because message came na unstable internet connection. No issues. Okay, next question I am sharing. Yes. Name the things required for photosynthesis. Look at the picture and write the things which are required for photosynthesis. The arrows which are pointing towards the plant, they show that they are showing the things which are required for the process of photosynthesis. Look at the picture and give me the answer. Yes, right, all of you. Good. जितनी चीजें फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए चाहिए उनका नेम लिखो. You can see in the picture. Right. Things required for photosynthesis. Number 1 is, I am starting from the top. Number 1 is energy from the sun. Right? Solar energy from the sun. Number 2, carbon dioxide gas from the air. Number 3, water from the roots or water from the soil. And next is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green colored pigment which is present in the leaves. Now see your answers. Match your answers. Here are the answers on the screen. Water, sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and chlorophyll is the green pigment which is present in the leaves. Try to write carbon dioxide in place of air. एयर की जगह आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एयर में से कौन सी गैस प्लांट्स लेते हैं फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस फॉर मेकिंग द फूड. इट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. दिस यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन इन द कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर. कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर में हमने किया था ना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की परसेंटेज इन द एयर. So you have already learned the spellings. So you should write the carbon dioxide gas from the air plants take for the manufacturing of the food by the process of photosynthesis. Next question. Which part of the plant is called the food factory or the kitchen of the plant? Plant का कौन सा part फूड फैक्ट्री या किचन ऑफ द प्लांट बोला जाता है? किस पार्ट को बोला जाता है? प्लांट के किस पार्ट को? ये प्लांट की फूड फैक्ट्री है कि किचन है? फूड फैक्ट्री और किचन इज हैज द सेम मीनिंग. यस, आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक आंसर है बेटा. लीफ. लीफ इज कॉल्ड द फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट. एंड इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाई द लीफ इज कॉल्ड द फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट, then the answer is leaf is called the food factory of the plant because it makes the food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. I repeat, you will write the answers in your own language also. Why the leaf is called the food factory of the plant, yeah, why the leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. Leaf is called the kitchen of the plant because it makes the food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. And that food is used by plants for their growth and also by other animals including humans. जो फूड प्लांट्स बनाते हैं वो प्लांट्स भी यूज करते हैं अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए और हम भी यूज करते हैं एज अ फूड आइटम और अदर एनिमल्स भी यूज करते हैं एज फूड आइटम्स. So leaf is called the food factory of the plant. Clear? Now look at this picture. You can see the picture. Look at the picture. It is very easy question. Name this part of a plant. All of you write please for the practice of spellings and for the practice of writing also. Write in chat box, name this part of the plant. Yes, बिल्कुल ठीक आंसर है. Write all of you, I am waiting. Name this part of the plant. Right. Answer is right. Flowers. These are flowers. The flowers are blooming. You can see the flowers are blooming. A flower grows from a dash. Give the answer. एक फ्लावर ग्रो करता है, फ्लावर बनने से पहले कौन सा पार्ट है जिससे वो फ्लावर ग्रो कर रहा है? लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड गिव मी द आंसर. A flower grows from a dash. Yes, right answer in the chat box. Look at the picture, it is very easy. All of you write answers. First there is dash and then that part of the plant becomes flower. Which part of the plant becomes flower? Answer is bud. It is the bud which grows and it becomes a flower. In the picture see, first there is bud. The bud grows and it becomes a flower. Clear? Now, look at this picture. A seed is sown in the ground, in the soil. After getting adequate amount of air, water and sunlight, this seed grows into a plant. I repeat, when a seed is sown into the soil, after getting enough amount of air, water and sunlight, that seed grows slowly and becomes a plant. Now, question is here, when you sow a seed in the soil, it grows. What is this process called? जब हम एक सीड को मिट्टी में डालते हैं, आपने प्लांट जरूर प्लांट किए होंगे, यू मस्ट हैव प्लांटेड सम ट्रीज. आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चों ने कोई ना कोई प्लांट तो लगाया ही होगा. जब आप प्लांट्स का सीड डालते हो सॉइल में तो ये ग्रो करता है. समटाइम्स ऑल द सीड्स डू नॉट ग्रो, ओनली सम सीड्स ग्रो. और जब ये सीड ग्रो करता है, व्हाट इज दिस प्रोसेस कॉल्ड? इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज दिस प्रोसेस कॉल्ड? Right answer in the chat box. What is this process called? Yes, write in chat box. Answer is germination. ठीक है, कुछ बच्चों का आंसर ठीक है बेटा. Answer is germination. The seed is sown in the soil. It gets enough amount of air, water and sunlight and it grows and becomes a new plant, and the process is called germination. The seed is germinated now. Here is the picture also. This picture clearly shows you the process of seed germination. Right? Look at the picture, second picture. First, the seed is shown in the soil. Slowly that seed grows. A small root start growing downward and a small shoot start growing upward. Roots start growing downward and the shoot start growing upward. Then the plant keeps on growing. Roots develop further, shoot develop further, and shoot start giving out other parts of the plant: stem, leaf, flower, bud, flower, fruit. Clear? This is the process of seed germination. It should be very clear to you. Now, which things are required by the seeds for germination? I am repeating the question. Which things are required by the seeds for the germination? You can write in the chat box. Things required by the seeds for the germination. Yes, right, beta. Very easy. Yes, it is air. Right answer, air. Sunlight is the right answer. Water is the right answer. ठीक है? So things required by the plants for the seed germination, required by the seeds for the germination are air, water and sunlight. बट अगर हम प्लांट्स को ओवर वाटर करते हैं, प्लांट्स को ओवर वाटर करने से उनकी रूट्स दे डू नॉट गेट द प्रॉपर एयर टू ब्रीथ एंड द प्लांट डाइज. अगर हम प्लांट्स को ज्यादा पानी देते हैं तो वो सीड जर्मिनेट नहीं होते हैं. ज्यादा पानी देने से सॉइल के पोर्स में पानी भर जाता है और प्लांट्स को ब्रीथ करने के लिए एयर नहीं मिलती. Plants, they cannot take up the air from the soil because that air is displaced by the extra water. So the seed does not germinate and the seed dies. Plants को over water करने से plants भी खत्म हो जाते हैं और seed भी germinate नहीं करता है. So only हमें right amount of water ही उन्हें देना है. Right? So thank you. This is all for the today's activity. Now I will ask you some questions depending upon today's activity. All of you, please be active.